Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use VN Video Editor. VN is a very popular and well-known video editing app and it is going viral all over. So if you want to try it, I'll show you how easily you can use it. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed it, and once you have it, simply open it up. Once you open it up, you will be onto this page. Now here you have to click onto that Caesar icon in the blue and you can just simply start creating a project. Then it will ask if you want to create a video or a music. You can go with a video and allow it to access the media files. Then after that you will import the video that you want to edit. As you can see, this is how the video will start and there are so many different elements. We will start with this one called filters. Filters, as you know, is any sort of color grading or effect that goes on your video. You can just simply set its opacity. Then we have other options, like if you want to trim your video and if you want to split your video, you can do it. Here we have the option for trim in the form of scissors. You can trim the video as per your choice. If you want to split in between, we have also this option called split. You can split it as per your choice. And if you want to delete any specific part in between or wherever you would like to, you can just simply split it, click onto it and click on delete. The part will get deleted. If you would like to add transitions in between two videos, there are a number of different transitions available. You can select them and they will be added to your video. Then you can manage its voice, like if any sort of music or tune into it, you can manage its volume. You can fade in, fade out at the initial as per your choice. And if you would like to add a music, you can do it. It will get from your files, or it also offers some of the music. You can just simply select any one of these. Whatever you like it, you can just simply click onto it, listen to it. If you like it, you can again click onto it and it will be added to your video. If you want to add a sound effect, so it also offers an effect library. You can select from that, and if you want to do a voiceover, you can click onto this record option and start speaking and it will do a voiceover. If you want to add a text, there's an option, you can do it. There are a number of different templates, different style, color, fonts, animation, different things available related to text and caption. You can select any one of these, and if you want to add an overlay, you can also do it. Just simply import another video or image and it will be added. And once you're done editing, you can click onto this blue icon and after that your video will be exported. So that's how you can use the VN video editor. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.